Civil rights activist and longtime board chairman of the NAACP, Julian Bond, died Saturday night at the age of 75. Bond died in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, after suffering a brief illness, according to the Southern Poverty Law Center. The Nashville native was considered a symbol and icon of the 1960s civil rights movement. As a Morehouse College student, Bond helped found the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee and was on the front lines of protests that led to the nation's landmark civil rights laws.
Remember, Dr. King didn't march from Selma to Montgomery by himself. He didn't speak to an empty field at the March on Washington. There were thousands marching with him and before him, and thousands more who did the dirty work that preceded the triumphal march.
Bond would go on to later serve as the board chairman of the NAACP for 10 years, declining to run for another year in 2010. The advocate served in the Georgia State Legislature and was a professor at American University and the University of Virginia. Bond's legacy was remembered by various advocacy groups like the Human Rights Campaign, who called Bond, quote, a warrior for good who helped conquer hate in the name of love. The champion for civil and human rights is survived by his wife and 5 children. Emily Roseman, Associated Press.